Hello my dear students. So today we are going to proceed with the second chapter of the computer, that is types of software. Types of software. The chapter name itself is types of software. Okay. First of all, what we need to know is software. What is a software? Okay. Set of programs that makes the hardware perform specific task is a software. A software is what? A set of programs. Software is what? A set of programs. That means what? A software is built using different programs compiled all together. Clear? Set of programs that makes the hardware perform specific task. Okay. Classification of software. Software can be classified as system software, application software, and utility software. These are the classification of software, which means what? Types of software. System software, application software, utility software. Now, moving forward, system software. What is system software? As I have stated bit earlier, that is software means what? Set of programs. The most highlighted point. Okay? System software. Set of programs which controls and coordinates the computer hardware. Now over here comes another catchy word, that is hardware. What is hardware? Hardware are those physical components of a computer which you can what? Which you can feel, which you can break, which you can touch. Understood? Okay. So, set of program which controls and coordinates the computer hardware. Computer hardware examples are keyboard, monitor, CPU. All these are computer hardware. Okay. Inside CPU also there are computer hardwares. For example, those are also very important computer hardware. Those are hard disk, those are motherboard, those are RAM, that is random access memory. All these are computer hardware which are present inside the CPU. Okay. Set of program which controls and coordinates the computer hardware so as to build a platform for application software. Application software. Platform for application software. Another important, in fact very important point which needs to be highlighted. Platform for application software. See, if you have used computer, you might have noticed that as soon as you switch on the computer, that very particular process, a very particular process takes place. That particular process is known as booting. Turning on the computer is also known as booting. On the background, many things takes place. Okay. For example, the operating system keeps loading. Understood? It loads from the hard disk using random access memory, RAM. Okay. That particular process on the background which keeps on doing, which loads, is known as booting. Now what I need to say is, after booting, as soon as your computer is switched on, as soon as that logon screen comes, if you have created a login password, a logon screen definitely comes where you put the password. Clear? After putting the password, let's suppose you don't have a password, then it directly comes to the desktop where various icons are present. And if you have created a login password, then you will see the login icon. Understood? That login page will be coming where you need to put the login password. Okay? Till that process, till that part, it is known as booting. Clear? That particular catchy word, that particular important word which is to be used is known as booting. Okay. Now, Platform for application software. So after booting is successfully done, which means what? Your computer is successfully turned on. After that only you can run various other software. For example, unless and until you load Windows operating system or whatever operating system you are having onto your computer, you cannot play games, you cannot use VLC media player, you cannot use pot player or whatever application software you are having. Let's suppose you need to work on Microsoft Word. So if you need to work upon Microsoft Word, you need to power on the computer. And as soon as you power on the computer, the operating system, the very operating system which your computer is having, let's suppose Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10, unless and until that is loaded, you cannot further access your Microsoft Word. So to access Microsoft Word, to use Microsoft Word, to work upon Microsoft Word, to create a Word file, what you need to load is your operating system. So basically that operating system does what? Creates a platform for application software. Application software example, Microsoft Word, VLC media player, various games, for example, whatever games you are playing, whatever media player you are using, all those are application software. Application software, that term tells what? A software which have its own application. Application means what? Its specific purpose, its use. Okay? Now, see, system software directly implies what? Operating system. Clear? Operating system examples are Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Linux, Ubuntu. Many other operating systems are also there. Fedora, many other operating systems are there. So I will put over here and etc, etc. Clear? Now check out this very important lineup. The hardware responds to whom? Operating system. Operating system responds to whom? Application software. And application software responds to whom? User. That means what? Let's suppose you are an user. Let's suppose your name is, let's suppose anything XYZ, your name is XYZ. You are using an application software. Let's suppose you are playing a game. That game icon, that icon of the game must be present onto the desktop. So what you will be doing, you will be double clicking on that icon. That means you are trying to access that game. So you are trying to access the application software. After that, that particular game will try to access what? It will try to access the resource of operating system. It will try to access the resources of operating system. And later on, that operating system will invoke hardware to achieve the result. Similarly, that hardware will answer to the operating system. Operating system will later on answer to application software, and that application software will answer to you in the form of output on the display. So you might see that game starts loading or that game starts playing, isn't it? Now, a very important note. What it says is the operating system starts automatically after turning on the computer. Clear? As soon as you turn on the computer, the operating system starts automatically after turning on the computer. And that very particular process is highlighted somewhere over here. Turning on the computer is equal to booting. Clear? At last, note, Windows operating system was designed by Microsoft Corporation. Okay. Who have designed Windows operating system? Microsoft Corporation. Some of the examples also I have noted down. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows NT, Windows Server. These are all examples of operating system. Windows Server and Windows NT, these are example of operating system for servers. Okay.